Have you ever looked at one of those funny little black and white squares and just wondered, what is going on there? Well, today we're going to go on an adventure and uncover the secret of what they are and exactly how they work.
I bet you have, right? You've probably seen your parents point their phone at one to pull up a menu at a restaurant, or maybe you've had one scanned to get into a movie or on a train.
Yep, they are absolutely everywhere these days, aren't they? On menus, tickets, even on the box for a new toy. Well, these little squares are called QR codes, and they're kind of like secret doors to all sorts of cool stuff, just waiting for a phone to come and unlock them.
Okay, so what are these things really? Let's put on our detective hats, because we're about to solve the first part of this mystery. They're called QR codes, and that QR actually stands for Quick Response. And that name is perfect, because your phone can read them in like the blink of an eye. It gets you the information you need super, super fast. Now, you might be looking at that and thinking, hey, that kind of looks like a barcode. And you know what? You'd be totally right. But this is no ordinary barcode. Oh no, it's like a barcode that went to superhero school. You've definitely seen these stripy guys at the grocery store, right? The cashier scans them, they make that beep sound, and boom, it just tells the computer how much something costs. Pretty simple. So, see, a regular barcode can only be read in one direction, from side to side. It's like reading a single sentence. It only holds a tiny bit of information. But our supercode, the QR code, can be read up, down, and all around. That means it can hold hundreds of times more info. We're talking a whole website address. It's like comparing one little sentence to an entire book. So how in the world does it hold so much information? Well, let's zoom in and take a closer look inside that little square. Think of it as a secret treasure map for your phone. You see those three big squares in the corners? Those are super important. They're called finder patterns, and they basically act like big signposts that shout to your phone's camera, hey, over here. The secret code starts right here. They help your phone read everything perfectly, even if you're holding it a little crooked. Okay, now look at all those other tiny black and white dots. Those are called data modules. And that, my friend, is where the real secret message is hidden. Every single little dot is part of a special language that computers understand, a language made of just ones and zeros. And all together, they spell out the website link or the pizza menu you're trying to see.
But wait a second, the QR code has another incredible superpower, and honestly, this one is my favorite. It's what makes them so tough and reliable.
Just think about it. You've got a paper menu at a restaurant, or maybe a ticket in your pocket. It's gonna get a little crumpled, right? Or maybe a tiny drop of water gets on it. Does that mean the code is broken forever?
30%. Get this. This is the code's amazing power. A QR code can be dirty, smudged, or have almost a third of its little dots missing, and it will still work perfectly. Your phone can still figure out the secret message.
How is that even possible? Well, it's because it has extra backup copies of all the important information built right into the pattern itself. So even if some parts get damaged, your phone can still piece the whole message together using those backup bits. I mean, how cool is that? Okay, so we know what's inside the code, and we know it's basically indestructible. But how does your phone actually read it? Well, your phone has a secret decoder built right in. And this all happens in a flash. First, your phone's camera looks for those three big corner squares to get its bearings. Then it quickly scans all the tiny black and white dots and translates them from that secret computer language into instructions it can understand. And finally, poof, it follows the instructions and opens up a website or shows you that menu or pulls up your ticket. It's like magic. So yeah, that little black and white box can hold almost anything from the digital world. It's a secret door to a website, a ticket for a movie, the instructions for a game, you name it. It's the thing that connects a real object you can touch to something on the internet. So even though it just looks like a jumble of squares, it's actually a really, really clever system. It was designed to connect our physical world, the world of menus and toy boxes, to the digital world of websites and information, and to do it so smoothly, you don't even have to think about it. And just like that, you're a QR code expert. You know all their secrets. Which, it makes you wonder, doesn't it? If you could make your own QR code, what amazing secret thing would you hide inside? A link to your favorite cartoon, a top secret treasure map for your friends? The possibilities are totally endless. Thanks for solving this awesome mystery with me today.